This is really simple, really nice clock. I got this so I could just either keep it plugged in forever or I could use a battery, make it really nice and versatile. This works really well. So kind of your standard hour, minutes, seconds. You also have an alarm. It's got a snooze and light button up here. Here's where the speaker is, on, off. Here's where you can set the alarm, and here is where you set time. So I'm going to stick in this battery, plug it into my computer, see if it works. Hey, and it is working. Oh, so this is the seconds. This is the alarm. Okay, and this is what the alarm sounds like. It just kind of beep gradually. Going to get a little bit faster in just a second. There we go, a little bit faster. It's gonna get faster and more loud. There we go, it's louder and faster. But you can snooze. There you go. And then if you press and hold the snooze button, it also turns on a light. Pretty basic clock, not bad. And this USB powered battery is working just fine. If we have a look, it says it's the 1.5 volt, 1.5 amp version. Clock is simple, it's really nice for kids, especially where everything is digital. It's nice to have an analog clock so they can figure out how to tell the time. They can have an alarm clock. Overall, it's a great clock.